Well, we've decided that we needed a break from all of our projects that we've been working on, and Taylor has picked a trail for us to hike on today. So tell us about this grand trail of yours.
It's in the mountains, but we don't have to climb a mountain in order to do it, so that's a plus for me. There's not more than like 1,000-foot elevation across the whole trail, so says the internet. Hopefully that's true. I don't know the name of the trail. I know it's a loop trail. It is 5-ish miles long. 4.5.
4.5.
Yep.
So there you have it. We have a 4.5-mile trail ahead of us. We kind of decided to get out today to disconnect. I was kind of hoping to do some actual overland camping this time of year, but my awning, I'm still waiting on the brackets. So it's been about 3-ish weeks. I know I'm a little spoiled in saying that I shouldn't go camping without my awning, but we are in the New Mexico monsoon, where we get sporadic thunderstorms and flash flood warnings in the afternoons. So figured we'll just take a day to do a day hike rather than an overnight event. Keep it a little simple. We made it to the top of this loop trail, and not without a little bit of bushwhacking to get here. That was interesting.
I feel like we're still gonna find some more up ahead before we get back down.
Yeah, probably. But we haven't lost the trail yet, so we've been staying on it pretty good. But we are now in this nice little meadow clearing, and there are sunflowers pretty much everywhere around us. Pretty crazy. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. This is a good spot you picked.
Yeah, it's nice. I didn't think there'd be so many flowers.
Yeah, and I didn't think there'd be so few people here too either. We only came across, what, 2 other groups of people?
Yep.
Yeah, and I was kind of surprised. I was expecting it to be a little more crowded. This is 4th of July campground area, and it's named so because during the fall, all these colors just pop off. There's aspen, maple, everything everywhere just goes off, and it's one of the biggest attractions in the state. So during the fall, it is going to be way more crowded, but right now, kind of enjoying it.
Yeah, it's peaceful out here, more so than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it is nice. It is nice to get out and clear your mind a little, and you can think a little straighter and have new ideas to go back fresh with. The weather report said that there are thunderstorms moving in probably about an hour, and the skies are getting a bit darker.
We can hear the thunder.
Yeah, we've been hearing the thunder of some of the thunderstorm cells way off over there. I think we still got some time before the rain starts coming down. So we'll probably get off this mountain, get off the mountaintop at least, before the lightning moves in. I'd rather be far away from here when that comes in.
That would be best.
That would be best. And then I'll just be making our way back down the mountain, back into civilization. We are making our descent back down into the parking lot, and it looks like we're going to be doing just as much bushwhacking to get down as we did to get up. And yeah, we find more bushes in the trail. These little red berries are everywhere too. Like, look at those. Well, we found a trail, buddy.
I almost stepped on him. I hope I didn't. Hey, you okay? I think he's okay. He's just scared. You need to be off the trail, mister. You're gonna get yourself squashed right quick. He's puffing out, making the spikes point out.
Yeah, he is.
It's okay, I'm not gonna hurt you.
You just set him off to the side. You don't want to put him too far.
Yep, there you go. He's standing on his toes.
So those little guys are pretty much everywhere in these mountains here in New Mexico. And they used to be even more common than they are now. But the problem is that people pick them up and move them. Oh, I just blew out. There we go. All right. So the problem is that people pick them up and move them away from the one food source they like to have, and they really only like to have one. And if you move them away from that, they starve to death basically. So people pick them up, move them, and because they think they're cute, take them back to camp and get all the Instagram photos they can. But really, in the long run, you're just murdering them because, well, they're a long ways from where their food source is, and they're not gonna get another one. So if you ever find one yourself here in New Mexico, or probably anywhere in the Southwest really, just set him off to the side, right where you found him, and he will continue living a long, happy life. We are on the last stretch of our loop hike, getting back to the vehicle, and it is just now starting to rain on us. A nice little drizzle. Kind of wish it'd pick up just a little bit more, because I'm really hot. I just want to cool off right now. All right, the official last stretch. We are on the road.
Yes.
Almost there. I see the car way down there. Got a little bit of a med bath going on here. Mile 4, just now. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Oh, the softness of these seats.
Oh, I'm sitting. I'm actually sitting.
Something real.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
So that was only 4 miles?
the way back
Oh.
from the meadow.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure this hike was at least 9 miles long.
What the heck?
I don't know what skills you have when it comes to picking
normally-
trails, but
Normally we use all trails, right?
yeah.
That's what I used.
Well, you got to look at the map and see what route they took, because obviously we did not take the route that is on there.
I don't know the name of the trail. I know it's a loop trail. It is 5-ish miles long. 4.5. I am
We took
sorry.
a very
That
long
is my
route.
fault. I shoulder the blame.
Okay, we blame you.
Okay. Yo, we're really out of shape though, because we haven't been walking, and yet we just did 9 miles
Yeah, we did.
uphill.
I could go uphill all day, but going downhill just kills my knees.
I can go downhill for a long time, but it's going uphill that messes me up.
Yeah, you're slow going uphill. I'm slow going downhill just because I'm afraid of a blowout. That was fine for a day's adventure.
Yeah, we'll be okay.
We'll
Our
live.
feet will be grumpy for a while, but we'll be okay.
Yeah. Let's go get some food.
Okay, let's do that.
Sounds good.